Hi friends, welcome back to my another video. Now I am going to share with you how much hard work I do every morning. You know winter season is going on, so it is comfortable to sleep in the winter morning, but I can't sleep. I am to wake up just for practicing purpose. If I don't wake up in the morning, so I can't practice my English. So I am to wake up early in the morning. So and there is a tank behind me. Let's check how much water is in the tank. There is no water in the tank, so I need to turn on the motor, but I don't feel like going to turn on the motor because I have waken up after few minutes. So now I want to practice English here. So that's it. Keep practicing and improve your speaking skills. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.